the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now
Alright guys, it's Monday and we're at the port. Never been to an actual port like this. I've been to one under construction. I have a TWIC card, but I've never actually been like delivering the load. So they had me stage at the gate here, take off as many straps as I feel comfortable, because I'm still gonna have to move around and get to my drop location. So I left 2 straps, one over the main metal portion and then one at the top of the gate, so the gate's not bending and stuff, because the manufacturer was definitely concerned about the gates flexing and bending and all that. So now I have some stickers that I'm giving to the guys. Apparently these are actually being shipped out. They're not actually being installed here. And so yeah, so far great experience. Didn't hit the road until like 9:30 in the morning. Hit no traffic, which was amazing. If I would have left early, I would have been sitting in an hour and a half traffic at least, and stop and go traffic is just not fun. This whole ride was just smooth sailing, no issues, no traffic, very comfortable, stress-free. So as soon as I get this dropped, I have a container to pick up at the Port of Tacoma, which is probably 25, maybe 30 miles away, and that's going back to Montana. So it's good to stay moving, no real downtime. Again, this was let me figure out the math for you, what this load paid. It was like 800, so 1800 divided by 819 is $2.20 a mile. Wasn't great, but I didn't have to look for a load. Like I said last week, it was a 9-minute drive from my drop. It was very quick and convenient, and I couldn't find any loads, so it worked out. All right guys, so this isn't getting installed here. It's actually going on this metal flat transport so they can put it on ship. Probably going to Alaska or something, since it's here at the port. So be interesting. Guys are getting all their gear set up, trying to get ready to pick this thing up. So as you can see, they took both of them off at the same time. So if they get damaged at this point, it's not my fault. I told them they're supposed to do it one at a time, but they're doing their own thing, so it's on them now. All right guys, we're in the Port of Tacoma. All the cranes everywhere. All right guys, we're back at the same place as last week, getting another container going to Montana. We're getting this top gray one here, so should be in and out pretty quick. But yeah, these machines are pretty massive, pretty strong. It's pretty surprising the technology we have these days. All right guys, so I just finished strapping down that storage container, but I did apply for that Verizon, or not, the Love's fuel card, and I was approved. And I don't have a big fleet, so I have a 4,000 credit limit every week. But what's great is I get 5 cents off the credit price, but I don't actually pay the credit price. With my card, it's automatically gonna drop me to the cash price, and then I'm gonna get an additional 16 cents off per gallon from the cash price, which sometimes is 50 cents a difference between the credit price when you're looking at the pumps. And then they're running a promotion where for the first 90 days, I'm also gonna get 10 cents off a gallon for the first 90 days. There's a lot of other perks, you know, you get discounts with services, tires, all that stuff, free Wi-Fi, which I've never used before, so I'll be interested to see if it's better than what I currently have. But the lady's name is Valerie, and I'll show you her information. She's very helpful. You can call her and you know, tell her Steele's Trucking sent you, and she'll get you set up and make sure to take care of you. She was very helpful, very honest, it was so seamless. And like I said, she didn't have to run my credit, which was amazing. So yeah, check it out. Nice little sunset. That is Moses Lake right there. And yeah, we're at the half sun. See you guys tomorrow. Well guys, it's a beautiful morning. Nice mountains and sunrise in the background. But yeah, we're gonna hit the road. We got our delivery this morning, and then we have a pickup this afternoon, heading back to Spokane area, and then probably from Spokane, probably just gonna deadhead back. If I could find something, I'll pick it up and, you know, deliver it Monday. But I have a concert with some friends and stuff I'm going to. Alice in Chains and I forget the other one, but some good stuff, good moments to be had. So I already got a return trip, so the deadhead, if I do deadhead from Spokane, will be minimal. So yeah, I'll update you guys later. Better view of the sunset or sunrise. Very nice scenery. Could get used to being out here. Well, I dropped the storage container and I'm heading to my next pickup. It's not too far, it's on my route home, so it's good, and pays pretty good too. Alright guys, we're taking these foam panels. So they got, maybe they're like built-in insulation for walls or something, maybe for like a metal building. We're taking 2 of those and just waiting for it to get loaded. Alright guys, so this is my load. It is a exterior wall insulation. It's like rated for R37 for insulation, so it's really good. You get a tax break when you use this kind of stuff on a new build. But I did have to tarp half of it because there's a pallet up here where it's not this, doesn't have plywood on it, it's just this wrapped in plastic. And as soon as I hit the road, it fell apart, the plastic ripped off, so I took the next exit, put this on, and then I drove about 9 miles, and this thing's blowing up like a parachute. So gonna have to add some more securement to it, make it better. And looks like that tore, so you know, yeah, it's not fun, it's no good, it's kind of a nightmare. Well guys, I'm delivering to a residential area, which is not cool. It should have been disclosed. I told the customer I'm not going up there, so he's gonna bring his machine down the road to the main road and bring a flatbed trailer and kind of transfer everything off of my truck onto his trailer and bring it up to the job site, because there's no way I can turn around at this residential area or up this, you know, personal driveway. So I guess there's going to be a turn off up here on this main road, this county road, and so we'll pull off down here and do the transfer. And then it's big open country, a lot of property, so I should be able to get turned around fairly easily. I mean, I was thinking of like a dirt road, and you know, everything's not paved, but it's paved, and you know, so there should be an opportunity to turn around up here. So that's how my day's going. Alright guys, we're getting pretty creative on how to take this off because it's too heavy. So we're taking half off at a time. And it's a bunch of fun. I found a nice big pull-out area though. So I should be able to get all turned around here. Sandpoint has this great lake. No wonder people love it. It's beautiful. Hey guys, so I filled up my oil bath and this cap, you know, on the inside there's this little piece of metal. Got to make sure that thing's flat. This one was turned to the side. Last thing you want is that piece of metal floating around and ruining your bearings.